Hello guys, welcome back to the SRK Photoworks YouTube channel. And I'm back with new trending text photo editing, or you can say name art photo editing tutorial. Nowadays, this editing is trending everywhere. It's very easy photo editing trick guys. You can see before one and the after one. In this video, I will tell you which app we needed for this type of photo editing and also how to download HD backgrounds we going to need for this type of editing, and one more thing, from where to download fonts and install it. So watch the video till the end. Let's start. First step, for this type of photo editing we need one app. For that, go to the Play Store, click on search bar and just search Pixellab app. Click on app. Just download this app and quickly install. Second step, now I will show you how to download HD pics, high resolution pics for this type of photo editing. Open any browser you have and just search Pixels Rainforest. Click on images, scroll down and select any jungle picture you like. Just click on that picture and click on visit. Now select that picture and click on free download. Also, I have given forest photo download link in description. You can download it from there. Next step, now we are going to download the font we needed for this type of photo editing. For that, just open the Chrome browser and just search Urban Jungle font. Click on first search result dafont.com. You can see Urban Jungle font. Just click on download. The file we have downloaded is in the zip file, so we need to unzip that file. For that, go to the file manager and go to the download or archive folder. Just click on that file and click on extract all. Click on extract to download. Click on OK and the file is successfully extracted. Now last step, open the Pixellab app. Click on allow. Now just click on three dots, click on use image from gallery. Now select the forest background picture and click on select. Click on OK. Now double tap on new text. Now just type your name and click on OK. Click on A symbol, scroll left and select font option. Now just click on my font. After unzipping the file, the font will directly show here, but if didn't show, you can install fonts manually like this. Click on add directory. Here it is. Now click on OK. Now just adjust text by stretching point like this. Keep the letters, keep the word in the middle at the center. Once it's done, just click on save symbol and just save the picture. Don't you think this tutorial deserves one like and subscribe? What are you waiting for? Do it guys.